Are you looking for a way to create a passive income stream that can provide you with financial freedom? Look no further. Build a lucrative passive income stream from Etsy by creating and selling AI-powered digital products. Even if you're a complete beginner with no skills, creating digital products is an exciting venture, but it's not without its challenges. Finding profitable niches in a competitive market can be time-consuming and requires extensive research. Luckily today I have a perfect solution for you. Introducing the game-changing solution, Etsy AI Domination. This transformative course provides a clear path to success by harnessing the power of AI. With step-by-step guidance, you'll discover how to create and sell high-quality digital products on Etsy using cutting-edge AI tools. Say goodbye to the struggles of manual product creation and unlock the potential of AI for generating unique and profitable ideas. Etsy AI Domination equips beginners and experienced creators alike with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in the rapidly growing AI-powered digital products market. This comprehensive course showcases more than 8 proven and profitable digital product ideas that can be effortlessly created with AI tools. From digital patterns and virtual backgrounds to trackers and coloring books, you'll learn how to cater to high-demand niches and captivate customers with innovative AI-generated creations. In-depth video course showing profitable AI-powered digital products that can be created and sold on Etsy in a few minutes. Premium training covering 2 of the hottest niches in the market, artificial intelligence and Etsy. Reveal the secrets to creating a lot of highly in-demand digital products using AI, specifically ChatGPT and Midjourney, and selling them on Etsy. With Etsy AI Domination, you can embark on your profitable Etsy journey without prior experience or technical skills. The course is easy to follow. Tutorials and insider strategies will empower you to overcome the challenges of manual product creation, helping you stand out from the competition and tap into the immense potential of AI-driven success on Etsy. Unlock the power of AI. Learn how to leverage cutting-edge AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney to create and sell highly in-demand digital products on Etsy. Profitable niches made easy. Discover a ton of proven and profitable digital product ideas that can be effortlessly created with AI, eliminating the struggle of finding profitable niches. Time-saving automation. Say goodbye to time-consuming manual product creation. With Etsy AI Domination, you can quickly generate stunning digital products in just minutes, allowing you to focus on scaling your business. No technical skills required. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, you don't need any technical expertise to excel with AI-powered digital product creation on Etsy. The course provides step-by-step guidance for everyone. Rapidly growing market. Tap into the booming market of AI-powered digital products, where customer demand is high and the potential for profit is immense. Visit the link in the description box now to start without skills and achieve success.